This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Olyvia Salyer. Cozy cottage minutes from Colonial Williamsburg in Middletowne Farms. Amazing updates throughout, including new kitchen appliances, updated bath, new light fixtures, roof 2015, hot water heat 2017 and more. Fantastic floor plan featuring one-level living with 3 bedrooms and 1 full bath. Huge floored attic could become possible second living level. A large fenced backyard and lovely landscaping complete this adorable bungalow. Move-in ready just in time for the new year. For more information, review the details below.